Okay, so if you guys are having problems with people stealing your thumbnails, I do all the time. I have like YouTubers that has like 1 million subscribers. I even have newbie people taking my thumbnails. I like shrink them down real far, close. But anyway, I've been messing with things here past hour or so, but it's gonna be what I'm gonna show you. Basically, it works better with this color, and you might just have to mess around with this. You won't see this one too much, but what you want to do is put your logos or wherever you're at on your vehicle. You'll just have to mess with this. You'll eventually figure it out. And then double click it. This is Photoshop. So you want to go to multiply. So you can probably just with any program, pretty much just do that with everything. Multiply. And multiply. Now, they won't know what they're looking for. They're just out to hurry and get something done quick because they don't make a lot of money and they're just wanting a thumbnail to make it look cool. Or they think it makes, since you're doing good off of it, it makes them look better and do better. Now, you can't really tell where this stuff's at. If you know where to look, yeah. That looks like bushes. This just looks like a highlighted thing. The bed, you can kind of tell it if you zoom way high, but remember, they're not after that. They ain't gonna know what they're looking for. And down here, so once you get that, you'll want to just collapse this all together. I'm just gonna do this for now. And then you want to go up to image. So like basically what you do is basically take your image back. So if you think someone's got your image, you can just take it back, put it in Photoshop, and go to adjustments and go to levels. First thing I would do is I would go to the channel and put it on the green, drag the green all the way down. We can start to see some stuff here. And if you want to do more, you can take your blue, just mess with these colors a little bit. You can drag it up. There's Rambo 145, Rambo 145, Rambo 145, and so on. That's pretty plain, pretty clear. You can do other colors, but I didn't have much luck with that. But you just do what you want. But that brings out the color pretty good. So this is the thumbnail I'm going to use now. So just be aware, if you start taking my thumbnails, that's what's going to be in it. And I will report them to YouTube or whoever. I'm getting sick of it. But anyway, that's something to help you all out that needs help. You want to do that. Because it's kind of crap getting stepped all over by bigger people. They think they can get away with it. But whatever. Alright, bye.